Lynda Davies a mae Siôn yma wedi bod yn derbyn gwasanaeth trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg yn ddiweddar. A yn y marn ni, mae fe wedi bod yn werthfawr tu hwnt iddo fe i gael y gwasanaeth yn Gymraeg. Mae'n hawddach iddo fe i esbonio i deimladau a mae'r communication yn well yn gyfan gwbl.
Helo, enw fi yw Siôn. Fi wedi bod yn siarad â Lynda dan o fel yr becso, dan o pethau dylwn ni ddim fod becso am. A mae Lynda wedi helpu fi lot.
Mae fe wedi cael y gwasanaeth yn Saesneg o'r blaen cwbl o flynyddau yn ôl, a o'n i'n teimlo bod ddim yn medru symud ymlaen oedd e'n mynd nôl dros yr un peth o hyd, a wy'n credu mae oherwydd bod yn ffindio fe'n anodd i gysylltu â'r person ni yn Saesneg. Wy'n meddwl bod e'n bwysig ofnadw bod y gwasanaeth i gael yn Gymraeg.
Ro'n i ddim yn deall y dyn oedd yn siarad Saesneg, achos roedd e gweud pethau ro'n i ddim yn deall yn Saesneg, so roedd y well da fi cael rhywun Cymraeg i dod. Ro'n i licio gweithio da Lynda yn Cymraeg, achos ro'n i allu deall i siarad Cymraeg lot o well, a roedd i dysgu fi bod yn well a pethau, dysgu fi sut i stopio becso'n hanol pethau a stopio becso'n am pethau dydyn ni ddim o becso am.
My name's Lynda and I work as an assistant psychologist with However Health Board. Recently I had the experience of providing therapy in Welsh, which was a really interesting experience. From a client's perspective, I felt that the therapeutic relationship was established much easier, much quicker. I also felt that the therapy was progressing better, that things seemed to be going better than it would be maybe if the same therapy was done in English. Also, from my point of view as a therapist, I felt much more comfortable in providing therapy in Welsh. It gave me space to think on my feet. It meant that I didn't have to worry and concentrate as much in the words I was using and what I was saying. It came easier and more naturally for me. And if you think that I felt that way in providing therapy, which is something I do really often and something I feel quite comfortable in doing, then obviously you can imagine that for someone who's receiving therapy, so they're talking about things that are really personal and difficult and emotional, then being able to do that in the language they feel most comfortable in must make this experience much, much easier and much, much more effective for them.
I feel it's essential that this service is available in Welsh, as if it hadn't have been, I don't know how things would have gone for Siôn. It would have snowballed on and on and on, and I really don't know where the end would be.